Hi viewers, you are welcome to today's QuickBooks Desktop Training for Beginners Part 2. QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise is designed for large businesses, medium and small scale enterprise, and can be used to record any complex business transaction. Before we move on, let us quickly look at some key features in QuickBooks. QuickBooks can be used to track inventory items and to manage your inventory and non-inventory items. It can be used as a multi-user software. It can be used to purchase items, create bills and track your bills for payments and all that. It can be used to record your expenses, to make payments and to receive payment from your customers. It can also be used to manage payroll. It can be used to create budget and manage your budget. It can be used to create sales invoice and track your sales. It can also be used to get payments. As I said, it can be used to receive payments from your customers, and it can also be used to create sales receipts, which is cash sales, and you can use it to generate reports from the sales you make, from payments and all the other transactions you have posted into the QuickBooks. So now today we are going to be looking at the following topics: adding products and inventory items or services in QuickBooks, how to make purchases and receive inventory into QuickBooks, how to make sales by creating invoice, which is credit sales, how to post customers' payment and attach the payments to invoices, how to make sales by raising sales receipts, which is cash sales, then how to pay your vendors and suppliers and attach the bills you generated earlier to those payments, and how to record your expenses, then how to run your business reports. So now, as we are going to be starting with adding products and inventory items or services, let's move straight to QuickBooks screen and see how that is done. So to add products, come to Item and Services, right click and click on New, select the inventory type, that is inventory parts. You put the item name, and you select cost price 26,500, the selling price 55,000, tax code, cost of sales accounts, the revenue accounts, sales, inventory ledger accounts here, then you click on OK. That is how to add products. The product has been added successfully. Then now we move on to the next topic: how to make purchases or receive inventory in QuickBooks. To receive inventory in QuickBooks, we come to Receive Inventory to Receive Inventory with Bills. You select the vendor's name, High-Tech Engineering. Then you select the dates. Select the quantity, the item you want to sell. Then select the quantity you are buying, as 15. Save and choose. So that is how to make purchases or receive inventory in QuickBooks. So now, how to make sales by creating sales invoice, which is credit sales. So to create invoice, come to this tool, create invoice. Select the customer's name. Select the dates. Then how many pieces are you selling? 5. And select the item you want to sell. That's good. And click on Save and Close. Click Yes. That is how to make sales by creating sales invoice in QuickBooks. So now let's move on to how to record customers' payment and attach the payments to invoices. To do this, come to Receive Payments. On the 16th February, Bullis Industrial Limited made these payments. To record this, select the customer's name, select the payment dates, the bank, the reference number, and the mode of payments. Then select the amount paid. By checking this, Save and Close. That is how to record customers' payments. You can click on this to check. Police, you can see the payments. This is the invoice we raised earlier, and this is the payments made. You can right click on this to check the reports. You click on Quick Reports. As you can see, the customer has fully paid for the invoice raised. So let's move to the next topic. How to make sales by raising receipts in QuickBooks, which is cash sales. To make direct cash sales, you come here, create sales receipts. Then you select the customer's name, Brosmark, payments to GTB, the dates of the sales, that's 23. The mode of payments by transfer. Then what item are we selling? Basement plates. What quantity? We are selling 3 and receive payments at the same time. So select the VAT elements and click on Save and Close. So you can go to customer to check. Brosmark, as you can see, sales receipts, and this shows that the customer is not owing anything, just like bonus that is showing zero balance. So that is how to make cash sales in QuickBooks. So now let's move to how to pay vendors in QuickBooks. To pay your vendor, you come to pay bills. You select the vendor you want to pay. Let's pay Trade Parts Nigeria Limited. And select the dates. And select the bank you are paying from. Pay selected bill. And say done. That is how to pay vendors in QuickBooks. Now, to record expenses in QuickBooks, come to write check. You select the bank you are making the expenses from. You select the dates. Select the accounts. Travel expense. Select the amounts. Then the memo. Then you select save and close. That is how to record expenses. So now let's move quickly to how to run reports in QuickBooks. To run reports, you come to this menu. Here we have a list of different reports we can generate from this QuickBooks. For instance, let's look at our sales reports. Sales by customer detail. You select this and select all. Here we have the list of all the invoices we have raised and other sales receipts we have raised. So you can export this to Excel by clicking on this. Then a window like this pops up. Then click Exports. Then here we have our sales by customers reports. As you can see here. So you can generate other reports, and I'll be showing you all this in our next video. So before you go, if you enjoyed this video, please can click on the like button, subscribe so that you can always have access to our next videos, and click on the notification button. Thank you for watching.